Alrighty, so I'm going to show you how I do the Unicorn Heatless Curls method. Make sure that your hair is tangle free. I split my hair down the middle. And I am taking this curler. This is a Kitsch one. It has like the wire in there, but pretty much any of them will do. You're going to stick it down in the middle of your part. And you want to have a unicorn horn. And then I am going to take this clip and hold it right about here while I start. So on one side, take a piece, and then you're going to wrap it around, okay? And I just pull my finger through, and you want to hold this as tight and as close to your head as possible. Take this other side. And you're going to cross it over and go under. So if you know how to French braid, you'll see like, okay, so like, it's kind of like you have like 3 strands. So then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out the claw clip and start adding hair to each section. Okay, cross it over the top, go under, and then pull it tight. Same thing. And kind of like, once again, with like a braid or a French braid, you want to try to keep it as neat as possible, just so that it stays as long as possible. To sleep at night, this is perfect for like side sleepers. I just fold it like this. And since I have longer hair and it's kind of weird at the bottom, I just kind of fold it up and I sleep in a silk bonnet. So this is, I just got this off of Amazon. And isn't Brian lucky that he gets to sleep next to this? So, like I said, this is really great for side sleepers, and because you have like this, it in this silk bonnet and you tied it tight, it does not come out. All right, it is the next morning, and sleeping with a silk bonnet really does help make it not too crazy, even though I already sleep on a satin pillowcase, but oh yeah, just like use my fingers to break them up, but I don't want them to fall a lot because I want them to last until my next wash. So if you have a good clumpy like that,